Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. In today's menu, we're gonna prepare Osso Buco. As you may see in the video, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I will let it marinate for 1 or 2 hours. Um, with this preparation I'm gonna do today, we're gonna cook for 2 different days. Today, we're gonna eat it with just potatoes, and for tomorrow or the second dish, we're gonna do it with pasta. So, we're gonna start in our pan, a little bit of oil, just to fry for one side, and then of course for the other side. We're gonna start, just heat it up, and just as you may see in the video, just place one and place the second and let it cook for a while. Do not move it, just leave it like that. And just, I forgot to do the cuts of the fat in outside of this. It's not fat. It's a membrane. We're gonna do just some cuts, like 2 or 3. It depends on the size. I got a big one, so I'm gonna do like 3 on each side of it. It will just help you to cook the meat. As it did, it won't get curvy. Like if it doesn't have the cut, it will get curvy and it will be not so easy to have it like flat. So let's gonna speed this up a little bit. I will do it and let's move on. So you see now, we're just gonna, you see they maintain the form. They don't get like curvy. They stay like they are. Just leave it like that. These are our all spices and ingredients we are gonna use for this preparation. I will leave you on the description as well. Just like that. Look, I'm using a bigger pan now because I will do it in the oven. Now we're gonna move it from one pan to the other pan because I need the small one just to use this flavor it leaves in the bottom. This is our flavory stuff from this preparation. This sticky stuff you see there, we're gonna introduce our veggies there. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil extra, and we're gonna stir fry them a little bit. Just like you see, just a little bit. We're gonna stir fry them, but we're gonna deglaze this bottom of the pan. I didn't use the bigger one at the beginning because this my kitchen stove is induction and the other one is not induction pan. That's why I need to use 2 pans in this preparation. Like you see, I'm gonna add now my spices, just lightly bit of chili flakes, and all the spices you will have it in the description, the garlic, the onion, etc. I'm just gonna speed this up. From my side, I'm gonna tell you all the spices I'm using, just listing them on the description. Well, now we are ready because we deglazed our main pan. It was our main pan actually. Now it's a secondary one, and we're gonna add a little bit of water to the pan just to clean everything, and just because we need also water to cook the meat because it will gonna be a low and long cook. Now a little bit more of water, and of course a little bit more of tomato passata. I didn't add too much at the beginning because I was not sure how much of everything is gonna be, so it's not a big deal. Now we add it. You see right now I'm adding a little bit of extra passata tomato. You can add it at the beginning, it doesn't matter. I just wasn't sure how, because my ossobucos are really big, so I wasn't sure how much liquid it wanna accept, yeah, the pan I'm using for it, yeah. They didn't want to overflow it, yeah, just like that, like you see. Just, it's kind of easy. Now we're gonna cover it. If you are using a pan with a lid, it's just lid on and to the oven. I don't have, I'm using a paella pan. Now I'm just covering. I'm gonna place it on the oven for around the beginning. Gonna be used 1.5 hours, and I'm using two times 1.5 hours. Yes, I'm using like 120, 140, 150 degrees. Yeah, it's depend. I forgot the bay leaves, so now it's not too late. I just add them. Look, this is just after the first 1.5 hour. Yeah, gonna just to check that everything was alright. It's not too dry. It's, yeah, it's that's why I'm dividing the period of time when I'm cooking. Yeah, as I say, I'm using 150 or 160. Yeah, and the second 1.5 hours. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Guys, look, this is after 3 hours, and I just rested like half an hour or something like that, and it looks like that. So we're gonna remove our bay leaves and everything else to the blender, and voila. So in a pan, in another pot, you're gonna add a little butter, and then you're gonna pour our sauce that we just blend. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit until it gets the consistency and the flavor and the color we need for. So I'm gonna show you now, and this is the time we are saying we are done. It's just up to you. Yeah, on the other side you may see, yeah, I let cool down our ossobucos, and you will see I don't even need a knife. I'm gonna use with my spoon. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna divide it into 2 pieces. One plate is gonna be eaten today, and the other one it's gonna be prepared for tomorrow or any other time, because you can cook it with the sauce. Just keep the sauce on the side. I'm gonna just, now for this video, I'm just placing everything together, just pouring the sauce on top, and now we're gonna eat it just like the half, as I said, and the other half will be prepared with some rigatonis I bought. Yeah, so look, very easy. Don't need a knife. I hope you like it. Just an idea of to preparing ossobucos. This one, of course, you can discard them before removing the core of the bone, but I'm gonna just put them together here. Look, now pour the sauce on top, and we are just ready to go. You can of course serve it. I'm using potato today, but of course rice will suit perfectly. Mashed potato, it's basically up to you. Yeah, look, very nice, very easy, and very tasty, which is very important. So, and now I will show you this sauce. I'm gonna add the half of the ossobuco, and I will see you in tomorrow's video with this rigatoni I'm preparing with the sauce. So take care and have a nice day.